So today we're out here in Modesto, California. We are looking at DR Horton Homes, and the community is called The Crossings. Now, this specific home that we're looking at is called Redwood. My name is Andre, aka the Cali Valley Realtor. I tour new builds for you and provide you with a ton of great buyer tools, and I cover the good and bad of Central Valley cities on this channel. So if you want to escape the Bay Area prices, this is the place for you to go. So if you scan this QR code, you can get access to my link tree to book a virtual tour for any brand new or resale home that you like, and you can watch the tour from the couch. Plus, I also give you a closing gift of up to $3,000 for any new construction home that you buy. Now, if you stay till the end, I will cover the amenities plus the floor plan for this home. I will provide you with a snapshot of what the actual home buying process looks like, as well as the true cost of what new construction actually is, and much more about this specific community. So let's get into the video.
I got you. This is the official family anthem. You know the ones you grown up with. If you love your family, stand up and say,
your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you.
woo.
Hey daddy, I got you.
Your brother,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you.
woo.
Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Daddy walk in the house, looking a mess, stress. Mom show him love, quick reminder he blessed. Bro on the games like he a big shot. Sis texting about new clothes she got. Sound familiar? It ought to be the real deal. Yes, it's your family. The loved ones repping where you come from. A bond recognized from the birth to the slum. We play different parts, but in the same band. You the front, we represent the back of your hand. It always hold those, that's our biggest fans. As the one place we stay in demand. We all play a role in keeping the fam whole, and seeing success together is our goal. So when I call their name, do as I do, point to them and tell them, yo, I got you. Yo brother,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
yo brother,
Brother, I got you.
yo sister,
Sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Now life is a fight that will test your bond, but we super glue connected till life is gone. And no matter the struggle from the path we on, dedication state there, lines are clearly drawn. So we must be real, despite how the fam feel.
Careful.
'Cause our words can scar like steel, protecting those we love.
This community is in super early stages. It just started being built. It's in the eastern part of Modesto. There is a total build out of 551 homes that they're going to build, and they are in a very early stage. So they've only sold maybe 7 or 8 of them so far. Now, there is also a Mello-Roos tax in this community that you need to take into consideration. That is at 1.75%. Now, there is no HOA though, so that's also great news. There are 8 floor plans, and 5 of them have built out model homes for you to come out here and check out. Now, the base price range is between $486,000 and $630,000, and the square footage in these homes is between 1,582 and 2,537. Now, move-in ready, there are 4 homes available that will be ready to be moved in within the next 30 days, depending on your timeline. Now, this community is based off of first responders. So every street is named after somebody who has passed away in the line of duty who was a first responder. So that is something that I also thought was really cool about that actually being the theme for this community. It is also right next to the Amtrak, so if you ever need to get on the train for any reason, you can literally just walk over there. It is literally that close to the Amtrak. So that's another beautiful thing about it. And it is in the Enochs School District. Enochs is the best high school in Modesto. So if this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about any of the properties out here you're thinking of buying 2 days from now or 2 months from now, either way, it doesn't matter. I'm here to support you and help you get through it. Reach out to me anytime. I will see you in the next video.